KLE Society, 100 Years of Commitment and Beyond. 1916, a defining year in the history of North Karnataka. In the region languishing in the darkness of illiteracy, 7 visionaries decided to make the difference. They were graduates from the prestigious Fergusson College, Pune, and could have undertaken lucrative jobs. But inspired by the ideals of Lokmanya Tilak and the work done by Deccan Education Society, they chose to commit their lives to a cause. The cause of empowering through education for the people back home, for the people in North Karnataka. Against all odds, they established an Anglo-vernacular school in a rented bungalow at Fort Belgaum. It was 13th November 1916, the first institution, and with it, the KLE Society was born. Resources were limited, but their determination abundant. They found unconditional support in 3 patrons: Rao Bahadur, Artal Rudragowda, Rao Bahadur Vaijappa Anigol, and Rao Bahadur V.G. Nayak. In 1929, they shifted the school to their own premise in the heart of the city. To provide the much needed avenue for higher education, they established the Lingaraj College, Belgaum in 1933. The institution offered a degree course in arts. Science courses were commenced on the same premise in 1935. The year 1947. The country awakened to the light of freedom. With independence came responsibility, the task of nation building. Envisioning the need for skilled technical professionals, the KLE Society established the B.V. Bhumireddy College of Engineering and Technology at Hubli. 1963 was another path-breaking year for the KLE Society. The Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College was established at Belgaum. The S. Nijlingappa College at Bangalore was also established in the same year. Over the years since inception, the organization made steady progress. It embraced new avenues, reached out to larger geographies, and by the year 1984, it had 38 institutions spread across Karnataka and Maharashtra. 1984, a year that added a whole new dimension to the growth, stature, and influence of the KLE Society. Dr. Prabhakar Kore took over as chairman of the organization. With his arrival began an era of unprecedented progress, an era of path-breaking accomplishments. Dr. Kore and his team, comprising Board of Management and life members, placed the KLE Society on the global map. Over the 30+ years that he has been at the helm of affairs, KLE has grown into an organization comprising over 250 institutions in healthcare, education, and research. KLE provides state-of-the-art facilities and services in school education, collegiate education, technical education, management, law, fashion technology, tourism, hotel management, and agriculture. The society offers graduate, postgraduate, diploma, and certificate courses in medical and paramedical sciences and Ayurveda. KLE's CBSE schools are taking 21st century education to the rural areas. KLE's College of Engineering and Technology, polytechnics, graduation institutions, and professional education institutions in the rural area aptly symbolize the emphasis on empowering the needy. Over 50% of the institutions are based in rural and semi-urban areas, and infrastructure at these institutions is at par with their urban peers. These institutions focus on generating employment opportunities for aspirants at the grassroots levels. The health sciences and technical institutions of KLE have forged academic and research partnerships with several national and international agencies. The USM KLE International Medical Program provides health science education to students from Malaysia. Paving the way to autonomy, KLE established the University of Health Sciences, Belgaum, in 2006. To provide impetus to fundamental research, a modern and well-equipped basic sciences center has been established at the university. Subsequently, the KLE Technological University, Hubballi, was established in 2015. The Center of Technology Innovation and Entrepreneurship, established at the university, has emerged as a successful model by incubating over 35 companies on campus. The institution is thus partnering the Make in India initiative of the Government of India. KLE's Krishi Vigyan Kendra educates and trains farmers in innovative and modern agricultural practices. It also houses the School of Agriculture. The institutions of KLE facilitate a complete learning experience through well-stacked libraries, digital learning facilities, and continually upgraded teaching methodologies. There is marked focus on modern facilities for sports, recreations, and conventions. KLE has established a school of music for nurturing arts and culture. KLE Dhwani and Venu Dhwani are community radio stations that provide a platform for local talent and for community education. Dr. Kore's greatest contribution has been the emergence of KLE as a leading provider of healthcare. KLE established its first 250 beds hospital in 1986. This has evolved into a 2,400 beds hospital and medical research center, Belagavi. The society has also established 500 beds Centenary Charitable Hospital, 200 beds Cancer Hospital, and Ayurveda Hospital at Belagavi. A 60 beds hospital and ICU has been established at Chikkodi. KLE also offers a wide range of healthcare facilities through mobile clinics, rural health centers, and the dental hospital. With a combined capacity of 4,000 beds, including 1,700 charitable beds, KLE today has emerged as the largest private healthcare provider in the region. Partnering with National Institute of Health USA, the KLE University is a part of the global network that is contributing to path-breaking initiatives in child and maternal care. The healthcare and health science establishments have collaborations with several agencies, including the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. The centenary year is an apt culmination of the efforts of thousands of members of the KLE family who made it their mission to transform lives through education, healthcare, and research. As the organization continually builds on its endeavors and adapts to the needs of time and society, the founder philosophies, truth, love, service, and selflessness continue to be the beacon, the guiding lights of our journey and the key determinants of both our path and our achievements. The essence of KLE lies in the faith of society at large, in our ability to do our bit and to make a difference, if not the difference. It is to these individuals that we dedicate both our accomplishments to date and our commitments of tomorrow. KLE Society, 100 years of transforming lives, and yet the journey has just begun.